Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to control your autofill data on the Mozilla Firefox browser. First, open the Mozilla Firefox browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the Privacy and Security option. You can enable or disable the autofill logins and passwords option. You can also check all saved logins. If you saved your logins to Firefox on a different device, you can get them to Firefox by creating or signing into your Firefox account on the device where your logins are saved. Then you go to Settings, turn on Syncing, and select in the Logins and Passwords checkbox. Also, if your logins are saved in another browser, you can import them into Firefox.